it's your girl Ny'Ree, and we are back with another video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, press the like button, and press the bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss another video from me. We're about to hit up TJ Maxx, girl, and find some new shit, okay? I am excited and ready to see what they got in here because they be switching out stuff like we be switching our draw, and I'm ready to see what they got. So yeah, let's go. Okay, y'all, so what we're gonna look at right now is the blades. So you can use these for dermaplaning or you can use these for your eyebrows. I like using them for both, but I really love this one that I picked up. It is a comb and a blade together, and they have like this 2-in-1 thing going on. I really feel like you could use this for your baby hairs, and then also, like I said, to go ahead and get those eyebrows together, girl. This one is by Precision Beauty, and it has a whole bunch of them in it for $4.99. I really love that. That's versatile as well. You could use that for your dermaplaning, for your eyebrows, whatever. And then this one right here is specifically for your brows because it is super small. You can get in every, like, get those angles, baby. So yeah, I really love this one. And then I noticed that they have these collagen peptides here and the chocolate. I never knew that they had chocolate, so $14.99. They have the exfoliating bath sponge, and they have them in 2 different colors. I've never used anything like this, but this looks super fun to use. Comment down below if y'all have used something like this before, but they have it in 2 different colors. Super cute. I really love that. And then they also have a washcloth, like a stretch washcloth that's exfoliating. As you can see, it's made with organic cotton, and I love that. It feels absolutely amazing. This one is $5.99. They have these facial cleansing things by Precision Beauty. They are super soft. One is a silicone, and then one is a gentle exfoliation type deal. $4.99. They do have these in a few different colors that I absolutely love. Like this turquoise color is super cute, but it's by Cala, and it's called Smooth and Sheen. And they have this purple one as well, and they have this peach or pink color. I would say it's peach. So yeah, they have these pedi scrubs too. Oh my god, it's like a 4-in-1, and they have different scents on there. This one is like a lavender tea tree oil. It cleanses, exfoliates, moisturizes, and massages your feet. This is good for a pedi, or not a pedi, my bad y'all. This is good for a spa day inside of the house. You want to go ahead and get your stuff together but save some coin, girl. This is really what you want to go for. You get 20 washes out of this. I don't know, I haven't used this before, but I do plan on using it because why not go ahead and use something like this when you're in the shower or when you're, you know, having your little time. This right here is a soft bristle body brush. This is a dry brush for $4.99. I cannot talk today, y'all. And this one is a glove exfoliator, and that feels good actually. But I really like this one right here. The white one definitely is giving exfoliating. And this one again is made by the same company with organic cotton, which feels amazing, and that's $5.99 as well. I feel like exfoliating gloves are super convenient. And then they have these this 2-in-1 bath and shower exfoliating body scrubber, and as y'all can see on the picture, it's a long, girl, so you can get your back real good. That's what I love about these right here. $4.99 for that and that 2-pack. Okay, but yeah, and the colors are super cute, by the way. And then we got this thing where we can put our hair up. It's super soft, absorbent, lightweight. I love that they got different colors for this too. So they got this pink one. I'm dropping stuff, girl, help me. They got this pink one, which is super cute, and it is they showing you the instructions on the back, but I'm just showing you how much it is, and I'll also put it up here on the screen for you. So yeah, that's how much every last one of those are. They just have them in different colors. So they got the blue one right there in the front, and then they also have the gray one right there in the back. Super cute. The gray one is cheaper than the other ones, I guess, because, you know, people really don't get that color. I don't know. But anywho, then they got the shower caps for your girl, because I love shower caps, baby. But this is a shower cap and a hair turban, and these are super cute colors. By Tame the Mane is what the company is called. So I'm just showing y'all this is $5.99 for both of those. That's a really, really good value. If I go to the hair store, I'm paying that much for one bonnet. This is a pumice sponge, and this is good for getting in on those feet and buffing the bottom of your feet. It leaves your skin feeling real soft. It's $3.99. I really love that they have these brushes like how they have at Target, where you can scrub and get your back real good. I like that one. And then they also have like a little scrubber. I'm just showing y'all how much that little scrubber is. Get them feet, girl. And then they also have the exfoliating loofahs, and yeah, y'all can see how much that is. $4.99. It's $2.99 at Target for one. This super cute plush headband is, oh my god, like and then they have these iPads that you can put in your refrigerator and keep them cool. $3.99. And then this one right here is a depuffing mask that you put on, and you put this in the refrigerator as well. I think it's a dual temperature, so you can have a cold or you can have a warm. I really like the benefits that they have on the back and letting you know what to do for the best results on the back. And they just sit and pop it in the freezer for 2 hours and use it cold is the best results you'll get from that, and that's $3.99. These are the First Aid Beauty blemish pads for $12.99. Absolutely love First Aid Beauty. You already know that's my baby right there. This is e.l.f. blemish control. It's like an acne clarifying cleanser. It only has 1% salicylic acid in there for $5.99. I don't know how much of a difference it'll make, especially if you're really going through it, bro. But yeah, this is the First Aid Beauty products. I just wanted to show you out there really quickly. It's like a hydrating product. It's $12.99 for your skin. This is Truly's lip scrub. As you can see, the consistency is different with each product, but I do love the idea of having that peppermint in there. I'm pretty sure to give you like a minty feeling, but then with the hyaluronic acid, that one is a chemical exfoliant that's gonna go ahead and get your skin looking really, really good. So that's how that's like, it's a lip butter. My bad, y'all, if I said lip scrub. It's a lip butter, but it definitely gets in there like a lip scrub. This is the purple. So this Purple Rain Glow Serum Facial Booster by Truly Beauty is absolutely nothing short but amazing. It has retinol in there to help smooth wrinkles and fine lines in your face, and also help with redness. The glycolic acid will go in and chemically exfoliate your skin, leave your skin looking really, really good. And then it has that antioxidant and boost in there to make your skin more youthful. I really love Truly because they're vegan, clean, and they are a cruelty-free company. So yeah, I'm always rock with Truly when it comes to this right here. But yeah, this is a really, really nice serum for your face. And a little goes a long way with serums, like I always tell y'all. And this big old bottle is $14.99. Anyways, y'all, this is the end of the video. I know it was a short video, girl, but thank you so much if you got all the way to the end of this video. You a real one. Go ahead and press that subscribe button if you are not subscribed. Press the bell next to the subscribe button, and don't miss another video from me, okay? And then I will see you in my next video, girl. Bye.